Hello group, my name is Camilo Cortez. My video is for present the festival and Esther picnic. My task is for present English in my university. This my course English 3. Um, I am a study engineer electronic. I am going to talk about a different word. What is a different word? Disaster picnic. Stereo picnic is a different word in which shared culture and love party and the great festival. We think more than 250 artists. We want the public has breathed for for years. This process began in 2010 and has been bring emotion for 10 years. Stereo picnic is a wonderful environment where you will live a different world. Thanks, teacher and friends. My name is Camilo Cortez. Bye.